Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we are going to see network interface block in Terraform. Okay, so we have already seen resources block, variable block, provider block and output block. Okay, so we are going to see what is the use of network block and what are the things and resources we can create using network interface block. Okay, so I am going to show you how we can create elastic IP using network interface block. Okay, so if you don't know what is elastic IP, then let me explain quickly. So elastic IP, whenever we attach any elastic IP to our EC2 instance, then no matter how many times we are rebooting and restarting our instance, okay, the IP will not get changed. The private IP and the public IP will not get changed. And if you don't have elastic IP attached to your EC2 instance, and if you are stopping and then you are starting, then public IP will get changed. Okay, so that is the main use case of elastic IP. Suppose if you are using production instance, then you don't want to change the elastic IP how many times if you are like rebooting and stopping your instance. Okay, so in that case elastic IP will help you out. Okay, so let's go to the VS code. Okay, so I have written already this script, but let me show you from scratch. Let me delete this file as well. Okay, so I am going to create here one network interface.tf. Okay, so let's go back to the AWS documentation here. AWS Terraform network interface block. Okay, let's click search for it. Then here you can see, right, the resource, subnet and private IP security group. Okay, so in my case I am not going to use subnet, private IP and like security group and all. Okay, so you can see it here. So what are the things are mandatory? Subnet ID required, the following argument are optional, attachment, so it is also optional, description optional, interface optional, so these things are optional. Okay, and apart from it, subnet ID is required. Okay, but suppose if you have already created your EC2 instance and that EC2 instance will be surely launched in any specific subnet, right? So you can directly attach that elastic IP to your instance. Okay, so let me grab this script quickly. Okay, so go back to the VS code, paste it here, and I have not like created EC2 instance here. So first let me create that EC2 instance. Okay, Terraform init Terraform apply. So we are going to create first EC2 instance, then we are going to attach this elastic IP to our EC2 instance which we are creating. Okay, so let's go back to the documentation part. Let's grab this. Okay, and here we can just paste it. I will AWS EIP. Okay, and whatever name we have given here in resource, so we have to use the same like naming convention. Okay, in our network interface block. So we have given the name tag is prod web. Okay, so whenever our EC2 instance will get launched, it will have name prod web. So let me show you quickly. Let's refresh it. So as you can see, we have prod web EC2 instance is running. Okay, and the name is prod web. So we have to take the reference of this prod web. Okay, so where is the network interface? Just edit this right here, prod web. Okay, then after that what we have to use, okay, instance is equal to whatever instance we have created by the Terraform. So we'll grab the instance ID. Okay, just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and remember you have to put this instance ID in double quotes. Okay, and what we have to do now, we have to close this. Okay, so let's save it. So what we did actually, we have taken the, we are creating the resource. Okay, that is elastic IP. The name is prod web. Okay, and we are attaching this elastic IP to instance this. Okay, instance ID this. Okay, so let's save this script. Go to terminal, Terraform init, Terraform init, Terraform plan. Let's see what it going to create. Okay, so it's refreshing. Plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Okay, so what it's going to do actually, AWS elastic EIP prod will be created and it will be resources, it will be attached to this elastic EC2 instance. That instance ID is this. Okay, so let's go and run our command Terraform apply. So our elastic IP will get created and the elastic IP will get attached to that EC2 instance. So let's go back to the terminal dashboard here, EC2 dashboard, and here we can see, so our instance is running, host name is this. Okay, and we can see subnet and elastic IP, that we can see it here already created and it's getting attached to our EC2 instance. Okay, so our elastic IP got created and got attached to our EC2 instance. That ID is this. Okay, so let's go back and where we can see that elastic IP, here we can see, go to here and we can see that elastic IP here. Okay, the elastic IP that we have just created. Okay, so this is the main use case of network interface block in Terraform. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and if you have any query then do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks, see you in the next video.